Welcome, dear students at Alwaha International School, Prep 2. We are going to take a revision on Unit 1. First of all, we are going to begin with Question 1 complete. Number 1, space is the motion which is regularly spaced in equal periods of time. Space is the motion which is regularly repeated in equal periods of time. Yes? Very good. Periodic motion is the motion which is regularly repeated in equal periods of time. Next question. The kinetic energy of the oscillatory body reaches its space value when it passes its rest position. The kinetic energy of the oscillatory body reaches its space value when it passes its rest position. Yeah? Very good. Maximum. Question 3. The simple harmonic motion is an example of the simple harmonic motion is an example of the simplest form of oscillatory motion. Very good. Now we're going to see question number 4. The complete oscillation comprises space successive maximum displacements, and each one is called. The complete oscillation comprises 4 successive maximum displacements, and each one is called amplitude. Question number 5. Frequency is space proportional to the periodic time. In this question, I want to know the relation between the frequency and the periodic time. Yes, very good. The frequency is inversely proportional to the periodic time because F equal 1 over T. Question number 6. Radio waves are considered as space that propagate through free space. Radio waves are considered as electromagnetic waves. So radio waves is from electromagnetic waves because they propagate in space. Now we are moving to the next question. Question 2. Give a reason for. Say why. Question number 1. The oscillatory motion is considered as a periodic motion. Why oscillatory motion is considered as a periodic motion? Yes, because it's regularly repeated at equal intervals of time. Regularly repeated at equal intervals of time. Question number 2. The product of frequency and periodic time equals unity, means equal 1. The product of frequency and periodic time equals unity. It means that's equal 1. Why? Because frequency is inversely proportional with periodic time, as we said before that the F equal 1 over T. Very good. Number 3. Sound waves are mechanical waves, while radio waves are electromagnetic waves. Why sound are from mechanical waves and the radio from electromagnetic waves? Because sound need medium to propagate, but radio waves propagate through space, through vacuum. It don't need medium. Again, why sound from mechanical wave and the radio are from electromagnetic wave? Because sound wave need medium to propagate, but radio waves propagate through space or vacuum. Don't need medium to propagate. Question number 4. Why we see lightning before hearing thunder? All of us know this phenomena, and all the time we see the light before hearing the thunder. Say why. Because the light of lightning is from electromagnetic waves, but sound of the thunder is from mechanical waves. And as all we know that the velocity of electromagnetic waves is much greater than the velocity of mechanical wave. Again, because the velocity of electromagnetic waves, the velocity mean speed, is much greater than the velocity of mechanical waves. Question 3. Scientific term. Number 1. The periodic motion made by a body around its point of rest where the motion is repeated through equal intervals of time. This is the definition of what? Yes, right. Oscillatory motion. Number 2. The motion which is regularly repeated in equal periods of time. Yeah. Okay. Periodic motion. Number 3. The maximum displacement done by oscillating body away from its original position is what? Amplitude. I hear you. Very good. Number 4. The motion of an oscillating body when it passes by a fixed point in its path two successive times in the same direction. Please pay attention that in the same direction. So it will be very good, complete oscillation. Number 5, the time taken by the oscillating body to make one complete oscillation. This is the definition of periodic time. Good. Number 6, the number of complete oscillations produced by the oscillating body in 1 second. Again, the number of complete oscillations produced by the oscillating body in 1 second. Frequency, yeah. Number 7, the waves which need a medium to propagate. The waves which need a medium to propagate is mechanical wave. Yes, very good. Mechanical wave is the Question 4. Define. Define means what's meant by. What's meant by amplitude? Please keep it in your mind that amplitude is the maximum displacement done by oscillating body away from its original position. Again, amplitude is the maximum displacement done by oscillating body away from its original position. Number 2. What's meant by or define complete oscillation? To make one complete oscillation, it's done when an oscillating body passes by a fixed point on its path two successive times in the same direction. Complete oscillation occurs when one oscillating body passes by a fixed point on its path two successive times in the same direction. And last one, what's meant by mechanical waves? They need medium to propagate. They are the waves that need medium to propagate and can't propagate through vacuum or space. At the end, hope you understand everything. See you next again. Goodbye.